This literature review, titled Facilitating Academic Achievement Through Effective Teacher Collaboration, sought to address the problem of practice where many teachers can be isolated in their individual classrooms and do not know how to collaborate effectively through professional learning communities or data teams to increase student achievement. This study set out to discover how do teachers effectively collaborate to improve student achievement. Learning is a social construct, not just for students, but for teachers as well. PLCs and data teams can provide that platform, but there is variations in quality and depth of practices. This study is geared to finding effective PLC factors that increase student achievement. 10 peer-reviewed studies less than 10 years old were used to answer the research question using the following databases: PsycInfo, Education Research Complete, Professional Development Collection, and ERIC. Keywords included teacher collaboration, student achievement, PLC practices, student performance, professional learning community, and data teams. Teacher collaboration that improved student achievement fell into three common categories: teacher-driven strategies that focus on common student misunderstandings and defining what quality student work is to improve teaching instruction; dense teacher networks and culture that emphasized open dialogue and strong interpersonal skills created a more collaborative environment, which increased job satisfaction and collective efficacy, which in turn increased student achievement; consistent and focused shared planning time where teachers analyze data, plan lessons, and collaborate on assessments also increases student achievement. Limitations of this study included time to effectively perform lesson studies within a PLC outside of planned periods. It's challenging to schedule time for teachers to observe each other and give constructive feedback to improve lessons when they're co-planning. Student achievement varied with different subjects in math and reading, and there were greater achievement gains in elementary settings as compared to secondary. One area for future research could ask, can the consistent implementation and scores of a standard PLC rubric predict student achievement in secondary schools in each core subject area?